If you're an e-commerce business owner, marketer, or social media manager looking to boost your Pinterest marketing with automation, Pinflux is the tool you need. This Windows-based desktop app runs quietly in the background, helping you manage and grow your Pinterest profiles effortlessly. With Pinflux, you can quickly find high-quality pins and boards by simply entering keywords, schedule your pins to post when your audience is most active, and automatically repin top-performing content to drive traffic back to your site. It also helps you grow your follower base by automatically following users in your niche and unfollowing those who don't follow you back, keeping your account healthy and engaged. Priced at just $99 for lifetime access, much less than its usual $164 price, Pinflux includes extensive training to help you master Pinterest marketing, plus live chat support to assist you whenever needed. Don't miss this chance to scale your Pinterest traffic and sales on autopilot. Check out the purchase link in the description below and start growing today.